This is an extract from our Hero Club. We have calls 3 times a week. Please like the video if you learned something. This is an extract from our Hero Club. We have calls 3 times a week. Please like the video if you learned something. At some point, I'll test what Ryan had given me because I know he added a lot of the other stuff of like you can change the case of things and this and that. Honestly, to me, I don't want that because it makes me think too hard when I'm using it. I don't think I could use that. Like it's functionality that I would have to struggle to learn how to use it. I saw Mario's. Um, but yeah, it's really cool. I was going to use the zoom glance bar, but it brought that muting of the zoom. It brought the architecture, understanding how you can tell if you're muted or not, and just made it into my script instead of keeping them separate, so I don't have to worry that the other script's running or not. Okay, so you don't like it. You left. Someone left. I guess Connie got kicked out. Um, Anybody have any questions on that? No? Let's see. Oh, Irfan, why don't you share your screen and let's um, show the update to the notify um, the hidden notifications. This was, I thought, a really, really cool idea.
Okay. So let me go to the left folder, modify. So I have to open this in VS Code. We have examples here. So by default, all my notifications are now hidden for you. So you will gonna see one notification and you will not see the other one. So I see the one which is here, and this one is not visible to you.
Yeah.
It is not visible to my screen capture too.
Yeah. And I looked into that. I was asking AI if there's a way to basically apply filters to say make it not visible to these programs, make it visible to other programs, and no, it's a binary. It's either invisible to screen sharing or it's not.
So if I make it false, this one, then you will see both. I think you can see both now.
Yeah. Yeah.
So by default, it is true. So whatever I run here, you will not gonna see. So you will not gonna see these buttons at all. So I don't know if you can see any of the notification.
Nope. Well, we see the bottom yellow.
So I have to. So if I want to make them show this parameter is too long to remember. So I have to make it false by default. And then if I run this, and then you will gonna see the notifications. Now you will see it. Am I right?
Yeah. Listen.
So, and I don't know about it is visible to you or not, but
right.
Unless I look at the code.
Yeah. So this was to me a really cool idea of like, hey, now we can have stuff on the screen that people don't see. But what I realized also was like, hey, for our GUIs where we show the API tokens and stuff, when would I ever want, it's so rare that I would ever want to actually be able to see someone sharing their token, like, sharing the screen and making sure they have the right thing. So I'm like, hey, in our tools, API tokens and things like that, let's have them hidden by default, right? So I don't have to go back and when someone is sharing the screen and they happen to have an API token show up, we can't see it. I don't have to go edit the video and blur it out or cut it out, which, takes time. So that was a cool one. But what got really, and I'm glad Jose's joined just at the right time. What really got me going was, and Irfan, I actually forget what it's even called. I created a tool. I haven't tested on yours computer. I did it on my Vegas computer. I first turn on do not disturb mode. So the notifications you get, the Windows sees them, but they're not, when you turn on do not disturb mode, they're not posting them, right?
Right.
So, but we can read them. So I made a script that reads those notifications and then we'll use our notify class to show them to us on whatever monitor where we want them, but they're hidden. So you could have Telegram messages from your wife or whoever coming through, right? You're sharing your screen, but nobody can see them, right? And I'm like,
That's a great
yeah,
little.
I'm like,
Yes.
why don't more programs take advantage of this concept, right? Because it's crazy simple to do once you look at it.
Once
But
you get the idea.
yeah,
It's
right.
so basically, let me ask you something. The we can read the notifications. So right